item number 1.
My Lord has.
You file your affidavit, Mr. Chariso?
My Lord has given me time to file my affidavit. Our petitioner is visiting to many places where government made a promise to finish within 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. So he's compiling along with the pictures, my Lord, unable to complete today. Lordship, give me 10 days time, my Lord, so that he can file the detail. My Lord.
You take 2 weeks then?
2 weeks.
Why we have abandoned the caution?
2 weeks.
That you may not take time the next, when the matter comes up again?
Yes, ma'am. 2 weeks.
Okay, Mr. H.S. Chariso submits that due to the nature of instructions that have to be obtained, the affidavit could not be filed. The affidavit could not be filed as allowed by this court. Provide order dated
2011.
no order dated 14/11.
2011. Your Worship.
And both earlier order.
14, no, 14/11, 2023. Stop. In view of this circumstance, a further 2 weeks' time is granted to the petitioner to file the said affidavit. It is expected that on the next date the affidavit should be on board.
Yes.
With list accordingly and so on. So.
Right. Highly obliged. Highly.
Thank you.
Hearing item number 2.
FIR 2011.
FIR.
Only matters of bench. Division bench.
Just rely on
Full bench. Position on the same.
May please, Your Lordship.
1 second. How long will you take?
Well, I don't know, Your Lordship, how long I take. Because I have to cover all the points.
Cover all the points, meaning the only point you have is admissibility of that
Let me start, my Lord.
confession statement, correct?
Let me start, my Lord.
The whole case hinges on that. Last time we heard that is all. The whole thing is that, and they say that even the judgment of the sessions judge has based the entire conviction on the confession statement.
Now let me start, my Lord, because right from charge sheet, I start right from the FIR and charge sheet.
We'll have another day, Mr. Kenji, because I have some other work to attend to later. Yes, this is matter after 1 week. Yes. After a week. We thought that you've gone to that point. If it wouldn't take long, then we could have just heard him, could have finished it off. I am not very well versed in criminal law, but you know.
That's why, my Lord, in this case, I have to start right from the FIR again.
You have to educate me. That means.
Not necessarily.
Yes.
Any mention?
But please, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I'd like
Mr.
to
Mohan.
mention item number 24, my Lord. If this matter can come after vacation,
24.
my Lord.
Who's the other side?
I think Arkin was appearing for the government side.
Who?
Arkin was appearing for the government
Who?
side. Arkin, my Lord.
Who's Arkil?
A Kharwalang, my Lord.
Oh, I'm not on first term.
Lord.
I'm sorry. Yes, Mr. Sen, you hear that the matter? No one's appearing for the government. 24.
Item 24. I'm just seeking time.
Which the party?
Kennedy Sangma.
So Kharwan Lang is not here, my lord. I'll convey it to him.
Really come for 2 weeks after vacation. Yes.
Lordship.
I'll oblige, my
Yeah,
Lord.
after 2 weeks.
Please,
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 19. 1919.
19.
I pray that this matter
Where
may.
is the authority?
He's in Shillong only, Your Lordship. So I pray for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
2020 matter. We can't do it before vacations. How many years you practice?
1 year.
1 year.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
We'll have after 1 week, okay? We'll try to finish it 1 week.
3 weeks, Your Lord.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention
Hello.
item number 20.
20.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who's for the petitioner? Have you informed them?
No, not Your Lordship.
Then?
Lordship, actually, the conducting counsel, senior conducting counsel is on sanction leave, Your Lordship. Item 21 is also connected, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes. Yes.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 25.
Have you filed those additional documents?
Already filed, Your Lordship.
Yes, after vacations. Yes.
I'll oblige.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. I pray that the matter may be listed on.
We don't know where's Mr. B-Dep. We'll finish this matter today. Is he here?
He said he's having some personal difficulties, Your Lordship.
It becomes very difficult for this court to just grant adjournments like this. Who's there apart from Mr. Deb in this matter? He knows that it's for closure. He's already argued this matter also.
I'm not aware.
When Mr. Yobin?
Your Lordship is said on Monday.
We can't adjourn these matters. This Mr. Deb knows that it's already been heard. Just on his prayer has just been kept pending. We'll listen next week. Yes,
Much obliged.
on a prayer next week, yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg item number 20 and 21, Your Lordship.
2021?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're too late. It's already been mentioned by someone else.
Oh,
Yes.
obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary list. Item number 1.
Lordship, I pray if the matter may come at the end of the board,
Who's appearing here?
Mr. Shulai. 1 and 2, item 1, item 2.
Sometime.
I'll oblige.
Item number 3.
Yes. Where's Mr. Mumin?
My apologies, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, I'm with a limited prayer, my Lord. It's just for disposal of the representation. What has happened, my Lord, in this instant case, is that the petitioner's land was acquired.
Petitioner's land.
Lordship, was acquired, and a road was constructed over the same, my Lord.
Was already constructed.
Road constructed, my Lord, without issuing any notice, my Lord. Without following the process of law also, my Lord. That is why I'm before this honorable.
When was the road constructed?
I think it was in the year 2000, 22, my lord. Later part of 2022.
How big is the area taken over? It runs through your land.
Yeah, it runs from the middle of my land, my lord.
How is it possible? Where's your, what you said, representation?
Yes, my lord. We submitted several representations, my lord.
Just see that. Where's the last one?
The last one is Annexure 5, my lord, page 28.
Page?
28, my lord. Excuse me.
Yes, Mr. Sen.
As it appears, they did not resort to any proceedings. We'll have to take instructions, my lord. Or else if lordships dispose it of.
Let them
In your
go.
direction.
Yes. Take down. The limited prayer made in such petition is for disposal of the representations made by the writ petitioner. The last one being dated, last one dated
27 September.
2023. With regard to the alleged construction of a road by the Public Works Department over the land of the petitioner. It has been submitted by Mr. A.G. Moment that he said construction was without due process of law. And in spite of representations filed before the concerned respondents, the same has not received any response. Mr. Next, Mr. S.N. appearing for senior civil conflict does not submits that. No submissions to make. No? Mr. S.N.'s present on behalf of all the respondents. Yes, but I'm looking into the nature of the matter before this court today. As per the prayer made out, this petition is disposed of the direction to the which respondent?
Respondent number
2.
Respondent number 2, my lord.
Respondent number 2. To dispose of the representation of the petitioner. Dated 27/9/2023. Bracket lecture 5. For review in a period of 6 weeks from today, or from date of receipt of certified copy of this order. Matters for instance disposed of.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Item number 4.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I prefer this application under Article 226 and 227.
You can't under 227, Mr. Lingdo. You have to take a choice. Either
Yes,
under 226 or under 227.
226, your lordship, and with Article 300A of the Constitution, your lordship. The main concern which I'm approaching before your lordship, the writ court, is that there's an abuse of process of the law by the respondents. Lordship, the matter involved herein is with respect to a landed property, which is...
Abuse of process of law?
Yes, your lordship. The matter involved herein is with respect to a landed property, which has already been decreed in my favor, your lordship. Judgment has been delivered, and there's no appeal or revision filed. Since 1992, your lordship. 3rd November 1992.
Then?
So, your lordship, I've been enjoying the possession over the land. Then, your lordship, I filed an eviction against the respondent
You're
number 1.
enjoying the land. How can eviction? Then
Your
what do you
lordship,
file eviction
as
if
per
you're enjoying
your
the
lordship,
land?
I'll draw your lordship attention to the judgment.
No. What? Now, tell me what is the abuse of process of law?
Your lordship, I'll just brief the facts. With respect to the eviction, your lordship, they naturally evict.
You start
vacate.
from your suit was decreed. The suit was decreed in your favor.
Yes,
And
lordship.
you are the plaintiff there.
Yes.
Right,
Lordship.
decree in your favor?
Yes.
And,
And-
so the
and the
land
mother-
was, the possession is,
Yes, Your Lordship.
possessions with whom?
It's with me, Your Lordship.
Okay.
So the mother of the respondent number 1 also is a party at the suit, Your Lordship, which was decreed in my favor. They are very much aware of the judgment and order. They never prefer any appeal or review or revision to set aside or to make any adjustments to the judgment, Lordship. They just slept over their right. A portion of the order in the judgment, Your Lordship, it allows me to recover the rent perspective.
Recover the land.
The rent, Lordship. There's a shop
okay.
in the land, Your Lordship. So I was allowed to recover the rent. Then, Your Lordship, I
You've been
filed.
recovering the rents.
Your Lordship, they paid the rent, but at a later stage, Your Lordship, they claim ownership over the land, despite the judgment and order, Lordship, already in my favor. So, Your Lordship, I filed an eviction suit. So, during pendency of the suit, Lordship, naturally the respondent, number 1, vacated the area, vacated the land. And then subsequently, upon vacating of the land, Your Lordship, she filed a suit after a period of 35 years with a prayer and relief to separate a portion of the judgment and order dated 3/11/1992, which was granted in my favor, Your Lordship. I have, Your Lordship, I have.
Separate, you mean they tried to distinguish from the decree, the land has been decreed from the land they occupied?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, may I read the prayer portion which they have suit?
Where, what page is it?
At page 7.
7.
Yes, Your Lordship.
7.
Page 7.
07.
Yes, I have reproduced the prayer
Okay, okay.
of the title suit they have prayed for, Your Lordship. May I read?
Yes.
In the premises, it is therefore prayed that Your Honour would graciously please to pass judgment and decree in favour of the plaintiff that the suit land situated at Umsening, measuring an area of so-and-so, has been mortgaged by so-and-so in favour of the mother of the plaintiff, so-and-so. The mother of the plaintiff was a party in the first suit.
Yes.
Lordship, the defendant has no more right over the suit land as the same has been mortgaged to the mother of the plaintiff without returning the money amount of so-and-so within the stipulated period of 10 years.
Okay.
Judgment and order dated is only with regards to the paddy field, etc., but it's not with regards to the suit land.
Yes.
So, Lordship, this is the prayer which they try to make a distinguish of.
What happened to the suit instituted then?
I contest the suit. I entered appearance, Lordship. Then I filed an application on the Order 7 Rule 11 for rejection of the plain. The plain was rejected, Lordship, by order dated 6/9/2023. So, Your Lordship, during the trial court, prior to passing the order of the application under Order 7 Rule 11, has gone through and perused and called for the records of the first suit and has gone through the entire records with respect to the judgment dated
So it's sum and
3/11/1992.
substance the same. Now, what's happened to your eviction suit then?
No, Your Lordship, I'll come to the point now, Your Lordships. So, a grief of the order of rejection of the plain, they prefer an appeal, Your Lordship. That is on the portion which the matter related with the respondent number 1. She's aware of the entire proceedings and she slept over her right and she filed a suit after a period of
Okay,
35
fine.
years.
Now,
And
why
upon rejection of the
this
plain,
court?
she preferred an appeal.
What happened to the appeal?
The appeal is still pending, Your Lordship.
What are
But
the orders? Any orders passed there?
No, Your Lordship, but the order has been stayed.
What order has been stayed?
The order of rejection of plain, Lordship. So what happened, Your Lordship?
No, but have you entered appearance before the appellate court?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have entered appearance. The record also has been called, Lordship, and I have apprised the appellate court that this is an abuse of process of law, Your Lordship. They have been sleeping over the right.
No, are you filing this one before this court for on apprehension that there might be some negative orders passed against you? That might give
No, Your
complications?
Lordship. But the way and the manner of how they have filed the suit, Your Lordship, is an abuse of
Fine,
process
yes,
of
but
law.
then even then, Mr. Lingdor, whatever it is wrong. It'll be
Yes, Your
bound to
Lordship,
be-
I'll come to the other part, Your Lordship, with respect to the respondent number 2, which I have read, which is the Dorbat Silong of Umseneng, Your Lordship. So what happened, Your Lordship? Now, presently, as of till present, Your Lordship, the respondent number 1 has been issuing letter claiming that there's a suit pending. And the portion of the land which is has been an inclusive land entirely has already been decreed in my favor, which is part and parcel of the judgment 3/11/1992, Your Lordship. So now the respondent number 1 has been approaching the respondent number 2, giving notice that the matter is still pending before a court of law, and that is her land, that portion, Your Lordship. That's why, Lordship, I have draw your Lordship attention to this judgment, which is at page 7, the prayer portion which I have produced.
Yes, you understand what intervention do you want at this stage by this court?
Yes, Your Lordship.
The proceedings are going on.
No, Your Lordship, but the action of the respondent number 2, Your Lordship, the action of the respondent number 2 now, Your Lordship, they keep on demanding of a judgment and order. When the suit has already been, when the land has already been decreed in my favor, Your Lordship, but they keep on demanding. They do not accept, they do not comply with the judgment and order which has been
thrown out by the trial court. It should be thrown out by the appellate court also.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, but they have filed before a court which, Your Lordship, I do not know when I will get the judgment. There will be a delay, Your Lordship. So the process of delay is a matter of concern, Lordship, because
so
they keep on filing.
Mr. Lindo, you say whether you want this want this application to be treated as 226 or 227. 226.
As 227, Your Lordship.
Because even then there's no regularity in the position of the court below also, because the only thing is that what is irregular is the manner in which the respondents have approached this whole thing. A suit has been decreed since 1992, they're trying to make out a new case. They've been thrown out under 711, now they've gone appeal.
Yes.
So the logical conclusion is that if your case, then there's no question of their suit being maintainable. Where's the appeal memo? And why was this order stayed? It was stayed.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes. Page 146, Your Lordship, is the memo.
Order of the appellate court?
Is a memo for appeal, Your Lordship.
Okay. What grounds is set out there?
The ground statement is at page 150.
You see, it is a totally different. It's a totally different.
A land.
Yes, that's a different cause of action. I don't think we can interfere at this stage, Mr.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship.
Now, where's the order passed by appellate court?
There's no order as of at present, Your Honor.
You said it's been stayed?
Yes, but I was not supplied with the copy. I have applied, Lordship. I'll bring on record.
Because as it material before this court, there's no ground for interference. Just take down first. This application is preferred under Article 226 and Article 227 of the Constitution. Stop on being queried by the court. Stop. It's on being queried by the court, Mr. S. R. Lindo, the counsel petitioner praised that as the matter be treated as one under 227. The same is accordingly taken as 227 and is treated as a 227 application and taken on board. Issue notice to the respondent says returnable in 3 weeks. Yes. Steps were taken by today. In the meantime, all further proceedings will be. What is the trial civil appeal?
Yeah, Your Lordship.
What appeal is that pending? Number of the appeal?
Number 10, Your Lordship.
It shall be stayed. We'll examine, let them come.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And we'll send. We won't interfere. We just for a time being, in case there's some, untoward incidents might happen.
Item number 5.
Highly obliged.
So we just stay the proceeding of the appeal.
Yes, highly obliged.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh.
Your Lordship, this is
Who's not getting salary here?
This is the second round of litigation, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the VEC of the petitioner village was expired in 2020, Lordship. Then no election was held. Twice, although notification was issued to conduct the election, subsequently it was postponed. Then the petitioner approached this honorable court, and during the pendency of the writ petition, Lordship, after the motion stage, Lordship, then they have issued a order for holding the election. And accordingly, election was held, Lordship, on 9th of August 2023, Lordship. Then 38th of August 2023, Lordship, the 30, Lordship, the candidate who lost the election, he lost a complaint saying that election was not held in a free and transparent manner. That is that complaint, if my Lord kindly see at page 28, Lordship. What is the substance of the complaint, Lordship? Because of some rumors,
So just because someone shouted that your petitioner would win the election, others lost confidence and they didn't vote anymore, and you won.
that is why they left. Then subsequently, my Lord, DC deputed the ombudsman to carry out the inquiry, Lordship. Inquiry also conducted, Lordship.
Where is the inquiry?
That is the finding of the inquiry, Lordship. Page 38, Lordship. 38.
Yes.
38, Lordship.
Yes.
Para 5 conclusion. In view of the above issues and finding the election of the President and Secretary of so-and-so village was held peacefully, no unfair means were done by any of the agents during the period of polling in favor
So
of
what do you agree with now?
My Lord, there after that, Lordship, almost
Not
3...
notified
They have not approved, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Haruna.
Lordship, I see instructions.
Instructions for what?
Lordship, why the thing? Why, as per the prayer,
When was this?
they will not approve.
When inquiry was on 19 September.
Yes, Lordship.
See, he was deputed to do the inquiry, and he's done quite a detailed inquiry. He's taken the statements of all these persons, whether any unfair means took place, no unfair means.
Nothing, Lordship.
Then?
Point-wise, he has conducted the inquiry. And if my Lord can, that complaint also very vague. Whether that can be a ground.
Look at the complaint, Mr. Haruna.
Lordship, I've seen, Lordship.
We so-and-so. Public shouted easement, Begum won before election. In this situation, a public felt a candidate may fail. So some people go back home instead of casting their votes. Is that a ground for setting aside election? That they lost the confidence that their candidate would not win, didn't cast their votes.
Lordship.
And on this complaint, it was not notified.
Lordship, just give me some time. I'll seek instructions. I'll come back.
Yes, I heard Mr. S.E. Sheikh, the counsel for the petition issue notice. Mr. H. Karan present on behalf of all the respondents. No further notice is required. Stop. The issue or the grievance of the writ petitioner is that the VEC, which was elected on
29th August, Lordship.
On 29/8/2023 is yet to receive official notification.
And official approval, Lordship.
Approval, in spite of the fact that on an allegation made by who? Who was the with allegation?
Some voters, Lordship.
You know, you made a party.
No, Lordship.
An allegation made by some quarters. An inquiry also had been gone into, in which, by report dated, inquiry been gone into, have been directed, when inquiry been directed, and a report was generated, dated 19/9/2023, which found that the elections there were held in a fair and transparent manner. Stop. Stop and review the matter. Mr. H. Karan directed to obtain instructions within 1 week. Listen to the matter on Monday the 4th. Monday the 11th.
Obvious.
Yes.
Item number 6.
My Lord, this matter relates to construction of the border fencing, Indo-Bangladesh border. Earlier, by 2008-9, they initiated under the All Act.
Yes.
Under the All Act, Land Acquisition Act 1894, they initiated in 2008-9. However, it was a lapse. And in view of the lapsing, 2015, DC informed that it is lapsed already. So if the government desire, they should go with a new act. So 2022, they notify under Section 11 under the new act. And there our names are also mentioned. We are the cultivators who are depending on their source of livelihood in the area, border fencing area. So initially, they were allowed to cultivate and reap the harvest. In the meantime, the construction was on. And slowly, the fencing came up. And the BSF say that you cannot enter. We will open gate somewhere. Then you can enter beyond the fencing area. So they were allowed. Now, subsequently, now they are not allowed even to go to other side. Cultivation is on. And the evening, the Bangladesh side, they come and reap the harvest and go away. These are the grievance, and they are the beneficial interested parties, my lord. So at this stage, my lord, may I pray for issuing notice to the respondent. Notification.
But you're saying that there was compensation proceedings were over. I mean, the entire due process was over.
No, they have taken over the land and they have issued Section 11 notification only. Lord, you can see page number 34.
34.
34 of the writ petition. Annexion 9, my lord. This was issued on 5th January 2022. Under Section 11 of the right to fair compensation is a prelim notification, and the name of the petitioner is also mentioned there.
Okay, take instructions.
There's two things. One, they made a plea that NPCC had taken over the possession in 2000. And the second, Lordships will kindly have page 45. Apparently, there's some sort of a dispute and some case pending before the court of a district judge in Shillong. So that is one of the reasons why the money has not been disbursed. Now, there are no pleadings in the writ petition with regard to this dispute.
My lord,
the district session judge Shillong, what is this?
And how, my lord, the land is the Southwest Hasils matter. But how it is? We are not the party there in the case, whatever case pending in this district session judge Shillong. Let them take instructions, my lord.
This is also mentioned in page 33 that there is some sort of a claim and counterclaim between certain parties.
When that is there, that means.
So we'll have to take instructions as to what is dispute there.
Let my friend take instructions, my lord. We are not the party there.
Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Mr. S.N. Janet Senior GA is present on behalf of 124 and Dr. N. Mojika on behalf of number 5. And what about number 6?
Number 6, my private respondent, my lord. He is the Maharam, my lord.
Notice to issue by number 6. Stop this matter after 2 weeks for instructions. So affidavit.
Highly wish.
Item number 7.
Please, Your Lordship. In item number 7, we're pleased to inform Your Lordship that the matter has settled successfully.
That's very good. So what do you want the court to do now, Mr. Yes.
Your Lordship, we would request if Your Lordship takes the
Takes what? Yes, Mr. Aruna.
Takes the trouble, my lord, of... Lordship, if I think come up with an agreement...
The agreement's been signed by both parties?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll make it order of the court.
We can, my lord. We can. Just one small submission I had, subject to what my friend says. My lord?
Conditional on other contingencies?
Yes, because there are several litigations pending, several other disputes pending in the lower forums.
Yes.
So one of the main disputes is the divorce proceeding, divorce filed by me, the wife. So the understanding in the agreement is that the pending divorce will be converted into a mutual divorce. Honorable court will be requested to convert it and dispose it of. Subject to agreement of the honorable court, the divorce case can be disposed of. I would imagine, my lord, the pendency of this matter, honorable High Court's matter, if the matter is not withdrawn today, the additional district judge may not be able to dispose of the divorce case.
It was not withdrawn. It's not closed for this court.
Yes, because
no, we'll close it.
We'll close it.
We'll close it. We'll make this a part of the order, mediation order, and then
yes,
whatever is once it's
yes, madam.
They have been reported by the parties that the mediation process, as reported by mediator, that the The process has been successful, and the parties have finally arrived at a mutual settlement with regard to their respective claims and grievances. Stop. A copy of a settlement deed dated 16 November 2023 has been produced by the parties and submitted before this court for consideration. Stop. If I peruse the settlement deed, stop. It appears that though there are other contingencies that have to be fulfilled, the settlement deed has addressed all the relevant and vital considerations of the parties. That view the matter stands closed, and the settlement deed dated so and so is made part of the order for compliance. It's a matter of only stands disposed of.
Yes.
Your Lordship, if I may only request the parties' undertakings, and Your Lordship may bind the parties to their undertakings to comply by the settlement
yes,
as
they'll
well.
comply. Yes, it's understood that the parties will honor the settlement in its letter and spirit. Yes.
Okay, leaders.
Deeply.
Item number 1.
Very good. At least one mediation has borne fruit. Otherwise, all mediation ends in,
Lordship.
especially in these kind of matters. Yes.
Highly obliged.
My lord, 3 matters are listed together, my lord. 1 and 2 are contempt. We have filed an affidavit in 1 and 2, my lord. Number 3, the writ petition, my lord, I am praying for some more time because the affidavit has been sent to the ministry, my lord, for vetting. My lord,
There are interim orders operating.
My lords, there is an order of status quo.
My lord, I only had some small prayer, my lord. My lord, the interim order, if lordship kindly sees, my lord, dated 5/10/23 in the writ petition, my lord.
Which that is
WPC
number? Number?
WPC number 329 of 2023, my lords.
Yes.
My lord, the order dated 5/10/23, my lord. The interim order was passed by lordship. My lord, on the prayer of so-and-so, the consideration of the final interim prayer will be taken up on the next date. However, status quo is to be maintained until the next date. My lord, the status quo has been directed. My lord, what happened, my lord? This policy, my lord, it covers all paramilitary forces, my lord, even CRPF, BSF, and there are other inter-force transfers. So everything has been held up, my lord.
Status quo with regard to their movement.
My lord, if that clarification, my lord,
will that be acceptable? Mr. Paul, the whole policy should be kept on status.
Well, here the
we have not been able to affect transfers, my lord.
Here the issue is not with regard to any individual. My lords, your lordships would recollect that
Yes,
they
it's a
come
policy.
before this court, they say
Yes,
that
so
the
they've changed
policy.
the policy, yes.
So status could have to be interpreted vis-a-vis the policy.
A policy
Let them
vis-a-vis
quickly
them,
file an affidavit, my lords, your lordships can hear the matter.
Argue it.
But affidavit, I have sent it to ministry, my lord.
File an
We will be
affidavit.
able to file it. But only thing, my lord, because
It doesn't matter. If you put people to discomfort, it's vice versa, Mr. Dr. Mozika.
But
Feel
if
the
it-
pinch also.
but
If
if
you
it-
make pinching them, feel the pinch also. It's,
but if it is confined to them only, my lord, we have no problem, my lord.
we'll have it. File it within 1 week. We'll take it up for consideration. We might dispose of the entire matter also.
Because what has happened, my lord, several transfer applications are
How
pending,
many?
my lord. The many, my
Bring
lord.
them on record. This is one matter which is really unfortunate. This is blowing hot and cold.
Well, what has happened, my lord? This earlier policy was not feasible, my lord. My lord, only mistake, if I can admit, my lord, is that leave was not obtained from this honorable court before issuing the new policy. But that is
That is why contempt has been made out. This is not going to end here.
Because that earlier matter was closed upon their assurance.
Exactly.
well,
That flies in the face of this court's orders.
well, that was.
So can you seek any little limited concession now until the matter is finally considered? Court's not ready to modify the order unless you file a proper application modification of the
My
order.
lord, will also kindly give that much observation, my lord, that for the time being, this will not affect other.
Rejected or accepted, that is, you are at liberty to file for alteration.
But others are happy with this policy, my lord. Under the new policy they are applying for, For transfer in posting, my lord.
You file a proper application. On oral prayer, we will not consider. Once an order has been passed for settled.
And other factors, my lord, whoever those other people, my lord, they are not parties here. So we don't even know who they are.
Let them file an application. They can file an application for modification.
My lord, that may not be necessary because they are serving in different forces, my lord.
Not for them.
My lord.
For a union to
On
file
behalf
that
of
if affecting your administration.
My lord.
Yes, Dr. El Mozika praised that, submits that the affidavit in 329 will be filed within
10 days time.
10 days time. 10 days time, yes. Has the same, okay, 12 days time, stop. It further submitted that the status quo order dated 5/10/23 has affected the movement transfers of similarly situated doctors
In different forces.
in different forces. So, be it as it may, interim order shall continue until the next date. The parties respond at liberty to put in an appropriate application seeking alteration or modification of the earlier order.
Item number 4.
All other same one. This
1, 2, 3 are all connected, my lord.
1 and 2 are contempt, we will file affidavit, my lord.
you already fine.
Yeah.
List the one together with so. This 1 and 2.
Right.
My lord, rejoinder affidavit already filed, my lord, yesterday. My lord.
Very good.
Yes, my lord. I humbly pray, my lord, like there is further inquiry may be conducted, my lord, during the pendency of this matter, my lord, because in the like way in the
It's
same.
going to come for hearing and asking for inquiry now.
My lord, the entire matter is lie on that only, my lord, because in line of like Khedadho High School.
What is the matter here?
Matter, my lord, there is two connected matter. One is a challenge the inquiry, my lord. Another is, my lord, the cancellation order, my lord. So, actually, in SDSO office Dadangiri, so many orders are there. Some orders cancellation. One order is cancelled. One order was issued by the SDSO, whereby cancel my approval, and kind of lots of orders are there, my lord, which is actually, my lord, through proper inquiry can be find out, my lord. Likewise, in the in the Khedadho High School, my lord has directed to conduct an in-depth inquiry, my lord, by the commissioner and secretary.
No, that
And my lord
was directed because even subject of the court was not able to discern as who the teacher, who was not, who got salary.
Well, here also same. I am the founder teacher, my lord, and my position has been because of the respondent
on
number
that
5
issue,
and 6.
One second.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, we'll hear it. Start.
My lord. My lord, okay, my lord. Since Mr. Sheikh also not here.
Mr. Sheikh was here. You will hear the matter today if you're ready.
Okay, my lord. Okay, my lord. Posted for hearing, my lord, then.
Otherwise, if you have any
my only grievance is
instead of passing any other intermediate,
Yes, my lord.
measures, we'll hear the matter, and if it's necessary, then at the time of hearing, after we go in depth, and if necessary,
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
my lord.
Lordship, we can have it after a week's time.
What will you
Because
do?
Lordship, there was already an inquiry report dated 6 June 2022, Lordship. And Lordship, I can finish it on next day.
Yes, on the Mr. S.K. Hassan submitted a rejoinder has been filed on this matter for hearing after a week as there is some urgency. Yes,
my lord.
Lordship, item 4 and 5 connected, Lordship.
Yes, my lord. Connected, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Item number 6.
Yes.
This is a boundary dispute matter, my lord, awaiting the outcome of the Honorable Supreme Court case, which is pending R. Himberley, my lord. So, and the matter is yet to be listed, my lord. So, therefore, your lordship may
Listen, after
adjourn.
listed in February first week.
Yes.
Or to await any outcome. List the matter in February first week, February 2024. Any outcome. If the matter is taken up before that, party is liberty to mention.
7.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Your Lordship, I humbly pray 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, to file rejoinder affidavit.
How many times you prayed?
This is second time, Your Lordship.
Second time?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have no objection? Nehu?
Yes,
Yes,
Your
further 2 weeks' time as prayed. Allowed to get the affidavit, yes.
Similar prayer for item number 8, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
9.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
So in this matter, my Lord, nothing survives, my Lord. But they are seeking time.
But the petitioner survives, yes.
Lordship.
What is the matter about?
This is
Tarsal
cancellation.
Sangma, huh?
Cancellation of the work order, Lordship.
This is a contract matter, my Lord.
Contract matter.
Where's Mr. P.T. Sangma? He's already on vacation.
No, Lordship. Out of station, Lordship.
This matter was already rendered infructuous prior to filing of the writ petition, my Lord.
Let this matter must become after next week, Lordship.
File it, my Lord.
Last time, so you took time.
They took time, my Lord. They've been continuously taking time, my Lord, in this matter.
Why?
Sir is not there, Lordship. When this matter is coming, Sir is out of station.
Yes, you've taken time once,
Yes.
twice. Have you brought the other documents on record, which you dispute the documents filed by Mr. Momin, correct?
Yes.
They brought, my Lord.
Yes, Lordship.
By affidavit?
Yes,
By
Lordship.
affidavit, my Lord.
That's
But
all
that is in respect of some other contract work, my Lord. I think they filed it on 18 October, my Lord.
So tell Mr. Heaton to come on Tuesday.
Okay, Lordship.
Yes, on the prayer of this matter for further consideration on 5/12/2023.
Lordship.
Hello,
Lordship.
10.
May it please your Lordship. Item 10 and 11, they are connected. I'm praying for more time, Lordship, to file my affidavit. We're still awaiting further instructions from the department.
What about you? No objection. Further time as sought by Mr. Khan on behalf of vote 1, 2, 3. How much further time? 2 weeks as
2 weeks.
prayer Mr. Khan allowed on behalf of 1, 2. Further time as prayed for 2 weeks allowed on behalf of 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Highly obliged.
12.
Where's the affidavit? You pay costs.
Lordship, we are preparing the affidavit, my lord.
Preparing is already received instructions.
Lordship.
And the affidavit is ready.
No, my lord, that's not what we had
Let's
submitted.
have the instructions and we'll dispose of the matter. Instructions that are complete. No?
Lordship, instructions are complete, Lordship, but I pray that some time may be given to us to file the
Enough
affidavit,
time
Lordship.
given. Three weeks time, October, September, 3 weeks time. Two weeks time in August. Yes.
We should receive this in the month of October, Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Your
No,
Lordship.
not objection. What about point number 5? Service complete. No one,
yes.
no anyone appearing to point number 5.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. Those repeated, repeated opportunity to filing affidavit have been granted. The same not yet on board. Expected that the same should be filed before the next date. This is a matter for 2 weeks for affidavit and for appearance of point number 5. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
My Lord has fixed this matter for disposal, my Lord.
What is the matter about?
It is relating to, my Lord, the construction of a slab over the public
yes.
drain by the private respondent, my Lord.
My Lord,
And this
I'm
matter-
praying, my Lord, if this matter can be fixed for admission hearing, my Lord, on the next date.
I saw your senior here just now.
Yes.
My Lord,
You conducting a case.
My Lord.
Next date means when?
after winter
On
vacation.
Christmas Day.
After winter vacation, my Lord.
Winter is just too long, my Lord. The 1 or 2 weeks. Continuously, my Lord. obstructions.
You're the one who made the slab.
My lord. My
You're
lord,
the one
the
constructed
drain
slab,
has already
correct?
been diverted. My submission is that, my lord, the drain has already been diverted. No drain is existing on that area, my lord.
No, see, one thing, Data, we just want to leave it to the authorities.
And my lord, it is a
This
totally
court will
civil
not
dispute,
go and
my lord.
see whether the drain's there or
My lord.
not, whether your slabs there. That's not
My
the
lord,
concern.
it's a
of the
totally
court.
civil
The only
dispute,
thing
my
is,
lord.
the only thing to see is whether there's no arbitrariness on the part of anybody, or you've not exceeded your.
Yes.
What you've done is not per se illegal on the face of the record. That's the only thing.
My lord.
Your prayers?
My prayer is, my lord, they have coverage the public drainage. In view of that, my lord, earlier the water was flowing. Now they say it is diverted. After diversion also, my lord, they cannot go inside. Now all the threads are stuck there and leaking started.
It's after diversion, the drain's blocked.
The drain is blocked. Nobody
And all
can
the
go
drains come
inside.
into your land.
My lord, yes, it passed through my land. I cannot go inside. The pipes are
Let the
there.
municipality handle it. Let them take whatever you have to do for them. Yes, who's appearing?
And respondent
My lord, in
authorities
that
has.
case, my lord, there
The
may be
report is
fresh
very clear.
inspection, my lord. There may be fresh inspection.
See, the thing is that we leave it to them. Whatever they have to do, they'll do. Just go not issue instructions, directions for.
He has other alternative remedy he can.
No, he has to remove, my lord. On this first round litigation, my lord, when Lordship direct, respondent came up with the report, and that report, there is a clear coverage of the public drainage, and they don't have objection. When Lordship directed for the respondent to take appropriate actions, my lord. That is page number, my lord, 43, my lord, of the writ petition is very clear. The report, first writ petition report, in the first writ petition. During dependency, they conducted the survey, and this was the finding. There is a clear-cut report, findings, my lord. It's the existence of a drain measuring approximately such. 3.5 of the drain is covered by the concrete slab constructed by the respondent number 5. This is the grievance, my lord. Respondent number 5 has extended the...
Do you find affidavit here, Mr. Longri?
Lord, I had in fact handed over the notice which has been issued.
Where's the notice?
It's dated 17th of August.
How come it's not here on record? We'll dispose it of you. Let them go before the authorities. You kindly give it.
And the order in the previous round, writ petition, has been referred and we have issued.
While conducting the inspection also, my lord, I have never
They are
been
not
called, my
removing
lord.
it.
I have never been called.
And now they say
no
it is a
notice has been
public
issued to
dispute.
me, my lord, while conducting the inspection.
Yes, you take whatever as per the municipal act you have to do.
Yes.
Yes, this writ petition has been filed alleging. What have you alleged in writ petition? Or this petition has been filed seeking directions for removal of an alleged unauthorized and illegal construction, illegal concrete slab allegedly constructed by the parade respondent number 5 over a certain public municipal drain, which is stated to be situated between the land of the petitioner and the land of the above between land of the petitioner and respondent number 5 at Oakland, Shillong. Stop. In the course of proceedings, the counsel for the respondent number, municipal council number 2 and 3 and 4 had produced a notice dated 17/8/2023 under section 159 of the Meghalaya Municipal Act. Stop. A perusal notice reflects that a finding has been arrived at by the respondent number 4. Stop. Be that as it may, as proceedings have already been undertaken by the concerned municipal authority respondent, this court deems it fit to remand the matter for their consideration. Stop. Next slide is however provided before any further action is taken, adequate opportunity should be afforded to both the petitioner and the respondent number 5 to present their case before the respondent number 3 and 4.
Well, within a time frame, madam.
Yes?
Within a time frame, madam.
Expected that the matter shall be completed as quickly as possible, preferably within a period of 3 months from the date of this order. Yes. Matter according stands closed in this process.
14.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing for the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3, the state respondents in this matter. Affidavit has already been filed and rejoinder has also been filed.
Yes, my lord. Their affidavit also received.
We have already filed our affidavit, Lordship.
My lord, kindly fix for hearing, my lord.
Party submit appeals are complete about this matter for hearing.
After vacation, my lord.
In due course, yes.
15.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 13, Lordship. You have to file the affidavit.
1, 2, 6 and 13. Who's 1, 2, 6? 1, 2, 6 or 13 to whom? Why you not file affidavit? Why? Not to file affidavit? What instructions were senior?
That we need to file an affidavit.
That's why time was given last time to file affidavit. Court's asking why you not filed it till date.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I appear for respondent number 6 and 8, my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, so far it's a rule of 6 and 8, my Lord. There is no role yet, my Lord, in this entire petition. We are the respondent who will be taking over the project, my Lord, once it is established. So basically, my Lord, we are right now before Lordship regarding the compensation, land compensation for construction.
Now, number one has been paid. I'm sorry, has filed the affidavit.
Lordship will file in the course of the day, Lordship.
Course of the day?
Yes, Lordship.
Very good. Then 2, 7, 9 and 10?
My Lord, 790 state respondents, my Lord.
Not filing. When? After Christmas? 3 to 5? You file. One is filed.
Lordship,
in the course of the day.
I'm for respondent 13.
My friend is for 13.
13? 13?
Your
Lordship, 13.
Lordship, I'm paying for 13.
In the course of the day filing?
Yes, Lordship, in the course of the day.
Okay.
Lordship,
11 and 12?
Lordship, for 11, 12, Lordship, according to instructions, Lordship would be filing.
Won't be filing. So MS colonies won't be filing.
My Lord, at this stage, my Lord, we are not required to file, my Lord. Looking into the my Lord, the read, my Lord, the prayer, my Lord, we do not have
2, 7, 9 and 10 yet to file. Yes, who's appealing for number 1?
Number 1 is...
For Mr. Debnant. You'll file affidavit. Are you filing or not? Because if we close the affidavit, we'll close it, we won't allow it to file more. I hope you understand. Yes, what's your name? Sino Sage, Vice Ms. R. Debnant, CGC for R1. Mr. Ilmumin for 2, 7, 9 and 10. Then who else has not filed who wants time? No one else. Pray that without further 2 weeks time to file affidavit stuff. MSR Koni for 6 and 8 submits at this stage. An affidavit will not be necessary from these respondents. So, who's appealing for 5, 3 to 5? Yes, 3 to 5. So submits affidavit been filed. 3 to 5 have been filed. So then 13. Yes. He has to then note that and Sino Cloud for 11 and 12 submits no affidavit for coming from these respondents, and for 13 submits that affidavit filed in the course of the day. This is matter after 2 weeks for further orders, yes, and for affidavits by the concerned parties, yes.
16.
Are you author?
Okay. They're supposed to file the Lordship.
Lordship, we've just received our instructions, Lordship. I pray for 3 weeks' time.
Okay, for the 3 weeks' time, as prayed. I'll say respondent for affidavit. There's that after and so on.
3 weeks' time, my Lord.
17.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please yours.
Yes.
Your time was sought for filing reply to my affidavit, my lord, in this matter.
Where the
But
rejoinder,
no
Mr.
reply has come.
My lord, rejoinder it appears is not necessary, my lord. My lord, it's simply an application for transposition of respondent number 2 as petitioner number 2, my lord.
Where's the application?
My lord, that application.
1611. Your lordship will see your lordship's order of 1611/23.
Yes, after you don't need to file rejoinder. They say don't need to file it any longer.
So then, my lord, the order, in terms of the order, they sought time. That order has to be modified in the light
Has been
of that.
modified, yes.
So, my lord,
Mr. Dr. Mozika today submits that on examination, it is found that a rejoinder affidavit will not be necessary to the affidavit filed by the respondent company. So what do you want to do now?
so my lord, lordship will kindly consider my application, my
He
lord,
prays that
for
the
transposition.
application for transposition be considered. What do you have to say, Mr.
Your lordship, kindly have it on 7th, my lord. Physically, I will be there so that I can place
Oh,
all
this is
the
matter on 7th.
judgments also.
It's only fair. You're supposed to file a rejoinder today. He's not ready. This matter on 7th. Yes. For further orders.
Second call, supplementary list, item number 1.
My lord, this writ has been filed for illegal seizure and detention. My lord, I am the owner of the 2 excavators. And police, AD Police of Jirang, on 31st 2023.
On 31st?
2020, March. 31st March.
2020?
23.
Okay.
Without assigning reason, they have seized the articles. Petitioner has not committed any offence, nor any charge sheet has been framed thereof. Now the respondent proposed it for auction sale. And I am before your honor to release the articles and to stop the auction sale because I am remediless.
How is it possible? How can he seize your articles without any process?
Yes, my lord, illegality is there.
What illegality is there?
There are many illegalities, my lord.
On their part, on your part?
No, from their part, from the respondent part. No seizure memo was issued or made over to the
You are seized
petitioner.
from your possession? Or from whose possession?
From my possession.
From your possession?
Yes, I am the owner.
You were there at the site when the authorities came and seized your articles or your machines?
Machine, this is excavators, yes, a dumper.
You were there only?
Yes. So, I don't know the reason for the seizure. Or no notice was made over to me or to the hirer of the articles. It is from the RTI reply, my lord, 6/11/23. Petitioner came to know that he...
Where is that reply?
RTI reply is at page... Annexure 5, 39. And I refer my lord seizure memo, page 42.
Yes.
Seizure memo at page 42. On perusal of seizure memo, my lord, it appears the following serious discrepancies are evident. Seizure was made on the basis of GD entry. Secondly, no FIR has been lodged, therefore no cognizable offence was involved, as it appears. Now, thirdly,
who's this
SI,
who signed?
it is the Jirang Rani Jirang AD camp in charge.
Okay.
In charge of police station.
And who signed?
Now, no violation of law has been indicated.
This is a memo.
Oh, this is the no.
What is the list? The memo is.
Nothing is there, my lord. No violation of law has been indicated in the seizure memo, and authority of law for seizure was not mentioned in this here. What he has done? ISI, the KW Sangma, in charge of Rani Jirang AD camp, do hereby today on the above noted place, date and time, seize the above noted 2 numbers Tata Hitachi excavators in connection with the above referred GD number.
Yeah. Then what
Then
happened?
CD, the seized has been made in connection with the above referred case.
When?
31st March 2023.
31st month, not
Yeah.
August. Okay.
The 10 months, it is, now it is nearly 10 months, 8 months. Now, I refer Annexure 7. Annexure 7, next page, 43. That I was booked under section 69 of Assam Land Revenue Regulation Act 1886, applicable to Meghalaya. So here, minutes of meeting of the district level committee constituted in connection with the attachment of property under section 69 of Assam Land Revenue Regulation Act 1886 to discuss on seizure of heavy machineries and dumper truck at Rani Jirang area by Meghalaya Police AD camp. Then, my lord, this meeting was held under the chairmanship of ADC in charge of revenue on 17th April 23, who, after welcoming the members, requested Bill Lindo, DFO North Khashi Hills Forest Division, and member secretary district level committee to initiate the discussion. Then, my lord, the member secretary gave a brief account of the constitution of the district level committee and the terms of reference which was committee is required to function. TOR has been framed. He stated that committee was constituted by Deputy Commissioner Devoy District in response to one National Green Tribunal NGT order 10th January 22 that was passed in the matter of now disposed of in OA number such and such. As per order issued by the Deputy Commissioner by letter 2122, the terms of reference of the committee is first to assess the valuation.
Annexure 10, page 50.
Annexure 10, page, that is letter.
So you engage illegal mining operations.
No, I have no knowledge about this.
Then how come you hired
that was hired to
hire machines to people engaging in
that
illegal,
was hired. That was my machine was hired to one Nongflang.
So engaging in illegal activities.
Not illegal activities. For only for artwork, my lord.
This is Jitul Dekat case.
It is for artwork.
NGT. Lot of these things have been seized.
No. This is not only. I have only 2 excavators and 1 dumper truck.
Are you engaged in sand mining or stone mining?
No, nothing. So, my lord, this is the Annexure 10 executive magistrate. He has taken up. He has.
What happened after this order? Now you see that this is 2nd of August. Last part, he directed to substantiate your claim. Somebody received proof and evidence. What happened after that?
Yes, I have attended.
Any order came out after that?
I have attended and I have given all the documents. Then again, executive magistrate, he has issued a notice to appear again on 10th August or 11th August. I have appeared, I have submitted, substantiated, I have submitted, but nothing was happened. Nothing was happened for the last time.
What is the position as on today?
Now, though, it is in the custody of the respondents.
Yes, Mr.
Now they have.
May it please your lordship.
Are they going to auction the machines?
Lordship, it appears, your lordship, that petitioner are involved in.
No, forget about that. But the manner of seizure and retention of the seized
lordship,
property.
this has been done. If going by Annexure 7 at page 43, your lordship, there is a judgment or order passed by the Honorable NGT, your lordship, in Jitul Deka versus Union of India. Most probably, your lordship, the district administration must have followed the
common instructions. Will list up for 1 week. So why you not pass orders and if they have gone and
my lord, no notice. I was booked under section 69. That is for defaulter of forest revenue for revenue.
No,
area revenue.
No, that is different.
And no notice was served to me.
That is for recovery of any revenue.
They have to give a notice to me, a demand notice for defaulter.
Let them.
They have not given nothing. I do not know. I do not know anything. That was not produced. Also, reported to judicial magistrate. So I could not apply for a Jimma or
Yes. Heard Mr. Gupta.
Or release of the goods.
The council petitioner issue notice. Stop. Mr. N.D. Shulai.
For all, Your Lordship.
Yes.
For all,
present with so and so. And accept the rules on behalf of all the parties. No further, no hold for. Stop. The council petitioner submits that the matter in issue is the seizure of 2 excavators without due process of law being followed, and that there's danger of them being auctioned. They're going to
yes, they are now going to auction. So I pray for a
Mr. N.D. Shulai.
Interim order, my lord.
To obtain instructions in this regard. Stop.
Lordship, the fact remains that they are involved in illegal activities.
Okay, I will reply, my lord.
Lordship,
Immediately I will reply.
no interim order, Your Lordship.
In the meantime, there shall be no auction of the machines.
Let there be no interim order, Your Lordship.
Let it be redundant instructions.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
Yes, in question. Till the next date, at least after 2 weeks.
Next item, same, Your Lordship.
Yes, same. Next.
Jumper.
Yes, that is only the jumper.
Yeah, the machine. Yes.
That was.
Apply, Your Lordship.
See, this is a case of the poultry attendant, and he was appointed in 1981, and thereafter
Was made driver.
Driver. Now the court wanted to actually dispose of the matter on the ground that the government may relax the rules.
Yeah.
So he was asked to produce the rules, and the rules my friend is relying is.
Why should he suffer for no fault of his, Mr. Bhartaji?
No fault of mine.
What is the position of the writ petitioner? You've been promoted, enjoying the scale of driver. Suddenly, one fine day when you retire, you become a chicken keeper again.
Problem, my lord, is that that post cannot be considered, my lord, because and that was also, my lord, only an officiating appointment. His appointment was throughout his service, my lord. That appointment was never regularized. Because the entry for the driver post itself is, my lord, a separate entry.
The government may do by relaxing the rules.
My lord, because there was another similar matter in the department, my lord. So ultimately, because otherwise the scale pay the scale pay correction will not happen, my lord. So similarly, my lord, the department even in that case, my lord, he was reverted. Ultimately, his scale was regularized, my lord.
The rest is what, as poultry attendant?
My lord, yes, my lord.
But I was before the court, but the person may be not be before the court. So the rules.
Because problem is, my lord, even his appointment is only an officiating appointment, my lord.
But officiating appointment, the period which I have spent in 1981, I was allowed to officiate. 1985. Thereafter, I was given promotions. Now after retirement.
So there are, my lord, in the driver category, my lord, there are 2 grades: the junior grade and the senior grade drivers.
From 1985, he's continuing.
Continuing 85 till I retired.
Paid regular scale.
Yes, on that scale.
Then promoted to senior grade.
Senior grade.
2015. Your decision.
The decision, because the rule has to
Your
be.
decision.
The decision, Lordship, in this case, the rule which my friend is relying upon.
Authority they can carve and accept.
Because difficult to get the authorities on this,
Why?
but only if the post of the chicken keeper is the grade 3 post, grade 4 post. Now the driver post is a grade 3 post. Now they say, the rule says that if that grade 3 4 post only by way of direct recruitments. But at the same time in the rules it provides that the power of appointing authority to dispense with the rules and relax the rules. The relaxation clause is there, Rule 20. 20 speaks about where the appointing authority is satisfied that the operation of any rules.
Where's the rule? Show.
He's also relying on the same rules.
Come on, you see, 85, you're allowed from 85. We're not talking of 1 year, 2 years. You pay them regular scale of pay from that time, including all benefits, 1985. So, let you fix the pension as pay as last paid run.
Last paid run, yes.
But, that will be difficult for me to
Why
concede.
difficult? I'm not asking for concession. You argue, it will be order of the court.
My lord, our main contention, my lord, that the very entry level, my lord. Now, grade 4.
You regularize that backwards.
My lord, if the petitioner, my lord,
That time is permitted, you regularize it backwards, you correct the records and let him retire in the last paid run.
My lord, as far as the petitioner is concerned, my lord.
This is a very unfortunate case.
This poultry attendant,
You're not showing undue favor to him, or maybe nothing of the sort. It's just what should be, a natural consequential relief he should get.
My lord, the next, in fact, my lord, had he remained as a poultry attendant, my lord, next post would have been LD.
So,
my lord, here from one, my lord,
next
this is
post
from
LD.
one category shifted to another
driver's
category.
grade 4 also.
Yes.
No, driver is grade 3.
Grade 3.
Then?
Driver is grade 3 post.
We would have gone from poultry attendant to grade 3. Grade 4 to grade 3 would have gone.
Because that is also the objection of the personnel as well as the finance department. This wrong was committed, that is true, my lord. But however, my lord, this is only officiating appointment, my lord. My lord, I'll argue this matter if it is listed any other date.
We'll argue it, but then that's the thing.
Pending.
See, the thing is that
he has also not shown any authority, my lord.
See, 85 he's been made a driver. He's been drawing the regular scale from that time. That the error or omission was never detected. In fact, not only not detected, he was promoted to senior driver in 2015, retired 2019, and you see the plight of the poor fellow. His pension has not been fixed. How is he going to survive? Firstly, you promote him, you pay him regular scale, and the end part you revert him poultry attendant, and on top of that, to add insult to injury, you have to even gain provisional pension to him.
My lord, the only reason, my lord, is that the pay
reason
fixation, my lord.
You see, he should be reverted back. And so, what happens now? Now it's to 2023. For 4 years, can a person live without any source of
income? My lord, if he is reverted back, my lord, immediately things will fall in line.
That is unacceptable. You fix provisional pension then, before hearing. Pay all the arrears. From 19 till now, how much will be his pension? Even if it's fixed at a scale of poultry attendant. Quite substantial. How can he deprive a person? You know how this court feels about pension cases?
No, that is true, my lord. So, my lord, if that is
We've
so...
had cases where people have come weeping here because they can't pay the house rent. You know that? You put yourself in their position. Pension, you live for 1-2 years, you forget about you can't feed your family, you can't even pay house rent.
No, he's working as a daily wage laborer.
After retirement, you go and work as a daily...
That is why, my lord, we...
after retirement, you go and work as a laborer.
That is, of course, that is not proper. But, my lord, that is why the department...
That is totally unjustified.
My lord, that is exactly why, my lord, in the department, in the affidavit...
Okay, Mr. K.P. Barshaji prays that some accommodation be given. This is a matter, we'll have it on... This is matter for... on 13th. Or you want 11th? Or you want this next week? Next week then?
11th
6.
will be okay, man.
6 here.
6. We'll have it on 6 then. 6 or 7. We'll give you some time. But tentative view is that. Whatever it is, even if you don't give him some provisional pension, some relief should be given to him. You can't carry on 4 years without pension.
So, my lord, if it can be taken on the 8th, my lord, then I'll convey to the department as well.
We can't because this court won't be able to do the second half. You can convey what's the difference between 7 and the 8th. You convey it. If you want to ask an officer to come here, if they're not obeying you, ask them to come here.
7th.
They're tentative with the court.
7th, my lord.
7th. Yes.
Only difficulty, my lord. Can it be on 11th, my lord?
No, 7th. I will hear it about you otherwise. Yes. Enough of his pension matters. No, don't expect any mercy. That's all.
My lord.
You cooperate. Mr. Barsa, you have a role, you have a You are, as lawyers, you're social service also. You
Madam.
think about the society also.
Right.
What's the matter?
My lord, that is this is with regards to the domicile, fake domicile certificate, my lord.
That OBC of Meghalaya?
No, my lord, no, my lord. It's from the Assam Rifle, my lord. And respondent, that court of inquiry proceeding, finding and the opinion of the court of inquiry, last 3 months has gone, my lord. They have not given, based on which the petitioner was dismissed. Petitioner, based on that court of inquiry, finding of an opinion of the court of inquiry, the petitioner was dismissed, my lord. And last 3 months has gone, my lord. That finding has not been produced before this honorable court.
I've forgotten. What is the matter about Dr.
Well, here what happened, my lord? The petitioner was enrolled in Assam Rifles on the basis of a domicile certificate, my lord, issued by, as point out the domicile certificate. By Subdivisional Officer, South 24 Pargana District, West Bengal, my lord. My lord, thereafter a complaint was received in the Prime Minister's office, my lord, that several appointments on the basis of fake domicile certificate has been done in Assam Rifles, my lord. So on the basis of that, an inquiry was conducted to ascertain whether any facts, there is any fact in that complaint or not. But basically, in case of fake domicile certificate, my lord, or for any fake document, if enrollment is obtained on the basis of fake document, my lord, the power is provided under Rule 22 of the Assam Rifle Rules, my lord, and Section 11. Section 11 says that any officer...
No, come again, sorry, Rule 22.
Rule 22 of AR.
Section 11 gives the power to certain rank of officers, my lord, and Rule 22 prescribes the procedure, my lord. Number Rule 22, if I may take a lordship to Rule 22, my lord. Section 11 also.
Rule 22, Section 11 are very famous. All matters
Section
22.
Section 11 gives to the,
Yes.
for dismissal to the IG, by the IG. Here the
DIG.
DIG.
Done by commandant here also.
Here in the rule they say that commandant, my lord.
This is commandant.
Commandant, my lord. So
Section 11(2), my lord.
Son is
Yes. Not below the rank of DIG.
My lord. And then Rule 22 provides for the procedure, my lord.
Yes.
It only says that a so-called notice has to be issued.
Yes.
Termination of service on grounds of furnishing false or incorrect information at the time of appointment or enrollment. The central government or the authority, as the case may be, as specified in Rule 17, may terminate the service of a person subject to the acts on the grounds of furnishing false or incorrect information at the time of appointment or enrollment of that person in the service, provided that action under these rules shall not be taken without the competent authority giving the person concerned a so-called notice, giving 1 month time to urge grounds, if any, in his defense and his explanation being found unsatisfactory. So, my lord, only requirement is issuance of a so-called notice to him, my lord. And
It was not done.
That was done, my lord.
Then?
My lord, their case, my lord, that court of inquiry was not done properly. My lord, court of inquiry is not relevant here, my lord.
No, this thing is that now after show cause is given, he has submitted.
He has submitted his reply, my lord.
And the explanation found unsatisfactory.
My lord.
And so after that you had proceedings, throughout proceedings.
Court of inquiry. No further proceedings is required, my lord. Rule 22 only says, my lord, issue a so-called notice to him, giving him 30 days time. My lord, the office which issued the domicile certificate, my lord, that particular office on verification says that that certificate has not been issued from their office.
When was he dismissed from service?
17 months. 18 months.
18.
Let's see the report.
Impugn order, my lord.
Yes, what's the impugn order?
My lord, the impugn order is at page 38, my lord.
No, Dr. Morsika, what is this? If court inquiry is necessary, then summary dismissal should have done.
Yes,
On
sir.
its show cause.
Yes, my lord.
But why do you hold a court
Why the
inquiry?
court of inquiry was hold and why the opinion and the finding is been not given, my lord?
Let's see a court inquiry proceeding. What was the finding?
Para 6, my lord, concerns the petitioner.
Yes. Seen that, very brief. What happened to all other people? All of them sacked?
No.
Gaurav Kumar, Ye Kumar, Wo Kumar, Ashutosh Kumar, Chindan Kumar.
No, man.
But in para C of our affidavit, we have said, my lord, subsequently, Headquarter Inspector General Assam Rifle by direction dated 7/1/2017 initiated disciplinary action against all of them, including the petitioner under section 11(2).
No, it's not. There's no hearing as such. Nothing. It's just appraisal. What to do, Mr. Jha?
My lord.
My lord,
if my lord has
page
said
31
that
of the writ petition, lord.
it's there, my lord. Will are you on the merit? Now, my lord.
Page 31 of the writ petition, my lord. The office which he claims that issued the certificate, that office says, my lord, is not issued by them.
No, my lord.
Page
It
31.
does not say. It says not related to this office, my lord. That does not. It's even the court of inquiry does not per se that tantamounts to fake, my lord. Not related to
They're
this.
trying to split hairs. Not related to office. That means they have no knowledge.
My
about
lord,
the document.
that office address should be given, my lord.
Where's your caste certificate? Have you annexed it?
My lord, it is there, my lord. Page 30.
Page?
30 of the writ petition, my lord.
No. Where's your caste certificate? Not re-verification.
My lord.
The one you supplied before the attempt recruitment.
Yes, my lord.
Previous page, my lord.
This one?
Yes, my lord.
Government of West Bengal Office of Sub-Divisional Officer.
Yes. No, where's that certificate issued by this Parganas, whatever? Where's that certificate?
The previous page, my lord, in my copy.
No, page 30 is some letter by government to the government office called by Colonel.
Page 30A, my lord.
30?
A, capital E, my lord.
No, it's not here. Just show which is the one.
No. It's not the case.
You withheld it from the court.
It's not there, my lord. The copy he has given to me is there, my lord. May I place the mic of him?
How can you take cognizance? It's not part of the record yet. Mr. Jha,
My lord.
why you done like this?
No, my lord, it's nothing intentional, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, it's there, my lord, it's nothing to hide, my lord.
I'm not saying why you prepare a present properly. I'm not saying about the case.
My lord.
Let's see the card certificate from your copy. Why you not annexed it here? Do oversight.
My lord, it's a junior's fault.
Nobody's fault. It's your fault only. You can't blame your juniors. Or what do you say?
Well, I will take the...
Yes. Pargana.
My lord. Southwest Pargana.
South 24 Pargana.
Then you didn't write again from your own, at your own level to this particular office.
My lord, they have what they have.
If it concerns your entire life, you should have gone yourself to this office and to get a reconfirmation.
My lord, they have, by hand, they have sent to the person, it's Southwest Pargana.
Fine. If you say that this does not concern,
yes, ma'am.
That has nothing to do with, this is South 24 Parganas, Kolkata, right?
Right, ma'am.
If it doesn't concern you, then why didn't you go back to this office that issued it? And
My lord, they should have given me the chance
to
do
go
that.
to court, you can file for review.
My lord, that chance should have been given to me, my lord.
Then?
Without giving a chance, my lord, I have been sacked.
Whatever it is, Mr. Jha.
My lord.
That was your main defense. Huh?
My lord, I would have been given, my lord, when the court of inquiry starts, my lord, I am not able to
court of inquiry
go outside.
Is just a formality. They just go by your show cause and so on. Where's the show cause?
My lord, show cause, my lord, at please.
Oh, here, take back a petition. See, Dr. Mosika, you've seen this. No? It looks Southwest Pargana. Is such a thing as Southwest Pargana?
Even the spelling is not correct, my lord.
That's what.
It is
so maybe it's a fake certificate. You don't know. Then it might get into deeper waters.
No, my lord.
No,
it's not fake, my lord. I will.
My lord, see here, my lord. Subdivisional officer, Patna. No, South is not there. 24 is not there. Even spelling is not
correct.
Not
Patna.
It's West Bengal. On the face of it, my lord.
My lord, show cause is at please, my lord.
You file that thing.
Show cause reply.
You bring that the certificate first on board before this court.
Oh, my lord.
Show cause that page.
My lord, show cause notice is at page 34, my lord. The reply is at page 36.
See, At para 5.
My lord. Even in 2012 also, my lord.
You file a thing, then we will pass orders. Yes, in the course of hearing, it has been detected that this was annexure what to your petition?
My lord, annexure.
It's not marked as annexure.
My lord, it's marked.
The domicile certificate, which is the bone of contention.
Annexure 3.
Has not been annexed petition. It's like how in the interest of justice the petitioner is permitted to bring the same on record by way of affidavit. Just after vacations, just after 2 weeks. Can you file it within 2 weeks?
My lord, next week we will.
Yes.
The person faking the document also.
Yes.
The person who is manufacturing this document also.
My lord, that cannot be. I will come on. It's a harsh manufacturing, my lord. After that, I will come on merit, my lord. Nothing I will disclose on at this stage, my lord.
Okay.
My lord.